My friends, cheers. It is your friend CryptoFace. It is Sunday going into Monday, and we have hyphy price action and a lot to talk about on many different time frames. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Planetar. As we speak right now, Ethereum and Bitcoin had a weekend little bull. On these weekends, it makes that a little bull. Remember this? The bull, and then crack, it gets cracked down. And man, did it crack down against this spider line. It's dumping down from the spider line. We have a lot to talk about. So let's go from top to bottom, front to back. We have big news with all the trade groups, the copy trade group, the signal groups have been on fire. On fire. In fact, finally, actually just took a loss on a couple. That's right. I took a low risk, high reward long on this shitty dipper down at the spider line. We caught this one up, got out, put a plebeian entry with a plebeian stop loss, and we got plebeian results. That being said, let's start with the price action, baby. We are in the fourth year on the 4-year cycle, the most volatile time. But I am still bullish, baby. Don't let them fool you. Don't let anyone fool you. Don't let me fool you. Taking a look at the monthly. The yellow VWAP wave still coming up nicely curved. Momentum flipping green. The month is up in green. We are green already, and it looks like we should continue to be green for the rest of the month, maybe even next month. According to these results, RSIs coming up. The RSIs are increasing. Still on the monthly. The 2-week, nothing really to see there. Nothing really to see there. The weekly, our weekly. Again, we got our momentum clipping up. And as all before it, we go on runs. Bull runs. Boom, right here. Bull run. Boom, right here. Bull run. Boom. Oh, bull run. This was a head and shoulders. This was a big one. You know, these little ones. This one. Boom. What was this? A bull run from 33,000 to 66,000. What about this shitty one? Even at the tail end of the money flow, this shitty one. Boom. This was a bull run from a $33,000 wick to $47,000. So this, you know, RSIs are much stronger. RSIs are hanging high. This ain't like this, because these RSIs are nice and high, and the money flow's doing better too. So we should keep going. We should keep going. It's going to be volatile in between, but we should keep going. Let's take a look. See here, the two-day money flow curving up from the red. RSIs green. Money flow over the 60, momentum over the 60 line. Everything looks the part here. A little tough acting, but that's the part. Elliott wave nerds are just getting their rocks off right now. You know, every Elliott wave asshole's waiting for an APC correction, and they might get it. Listen, they just might get it. Taking a look at the daily now. We have a very nice serrated, outwardly curved little VWAP oscillation curving up here on the daily. It's looking like momentum has come down and now it wants to clip upwards and make another little spike. RSIs remain extremely strong on the upside. So that's good. The daily's bullish in my opinion. Daily is bullish in my opinion. The 12 hour. pretty much looking the same. You know, we are fighting up against all-time highs on Bitcoin here. We're fighting up against all-time highs here on Bitcoin. So it makes sense to have some damn turbulence, to have a little turbulence. And maybe we get the ABC correction before 1, 2, 3 pounded to 120,000. You heard it here first. I'm ready and I'm a believer. So what if we have a tough couple of days, tough week or two? I believe in you. The 6 hour looking nice. Again, this is the weekend, but we played this little pump real nice. Beautiful little momentum clipping up here. The Ethereum in a bull run pattern with the momentum. That's what it's called. Ethereum in a bull run pattern. When money flow's coming down, momentum comes up and it pops off and creates a whole new money flow and price action kicks ass. Weekends are horrible rate. Do not trade the weekends. You're better off leaving it. Better off leaving the weekends. Wow, look at Ethereum. Oh my God, thank God we got out of that trade. Ethereum is just getting ass pounded right now. As we speak, an ass pounding. Good thing we had our plebeian stop loss. Yeah, man, God, I thought this was going to dump on through. I don't know. Damn, man, I'm telling you, these little dippers, when it has this little dip and then boom, that shark fin, boom, that shit's dumping good. We'll see if it holds right here. What's the heat map looking like? Let's take a look at a little heat map. Why not? Things are heating up. Okay, taking a look at the heat map here. What is this, Bitcoin? This was a beautiful dump to eat up this liquidity right here. By the way, if you don't know how to read a heat map, the reversals are where there's dark spaces. Price action goes towards to eat up everyone's stop losses here. Everyone stops here. When there's nothing there, it stops. Price stops. Now look, new liquidity stop losses for them, and it's eating right through it. It's going to stop here at 103,600 the next break. Maybe we'll flip around. Maybe it'll come down and juice all the way through it. Dear God, dear God. What better day to do it than on a Sunday night? Not a better day to do it than on Sunday, boy. I'll tell you, Sunday night dumping. Dump it, dump it, dump it, so we can pump it, pump it, pump it. I'm okay with dumping it so we can start pumping it on Tuesdays again. Speaking of Tuesday, last Tuesday, damn near broke my world record. My personal record. Didn't, but came close. Damn, look at Ethereum go. Shit, I should be shorting this right now instead of making this video. Oh my God. Oh my God. Beautiful dump action. Boy, everyone's bearish. Jeez, everyone's bearish as hell for the week coming up. We got the Moody credit rating. War's coming off. But I'm embracing the pullback. Embracing the pullback. Planetar. Please, Planetar, pull back. So we can load up some more calls on that. On a Planetar pullback, got to get some more. CoreWeave is another one. CRWV. Do your research. Check it out. It's another Planetar type computer processing, artificial intelligence bullshit. Price has doubled in like 3 weeks. It's early. It's still early. It just joined the market. A lot of potential here on CoreWeave. A lot of hype around it. CoreZ is another one. So check that out. Check it out. Damn. Yeah, these weekends, man, stay away. Stay away. Now, are you tired of getting screwed on the weekends and you can't help yourself? Can't help yourself? Well, guess what? Guess what? We have been absolutely kicking ass. The Whale Crew, the Rodriguez, the Cholinos. We've had 5 groups. Only one did we close down in the red, like minus like 50%. The others kicking ass. The Cholinas, we flipped them up, turned them up, crocked them up, baked them up, profit, closed it. Now it's time to let some new people in. So guess what, folks? The Cholinas are closed. The Whale Crew and the Rodriguez, I'm going to keep them open maybe for one more week. See if we can flip them this week. And boom, We just launched the Full Port Authority and the Chilenas Part 2. Full Port Authority is what it is. We're going ham. I'm going ham on every single trade. It's going to make sure it's a good trade. I'm going to do my best. I'm not going to try not to be a retard. But it's full ports only. Full ports only. There is no room for crying. And the Chilenas Responsible Traders Part 2, damn, this shit's been open for 6 hours and it's already filling up. If I have to extend slots, I will. I'd like these. Jeez. Hang on a sec. Like a cricket. Jumped down my throat. I fed Chelina. I think a cricket escaped and jumped in my throat. I'd like these groups to fill up for like 48 hours. And then after that, I don't want anyone new to come in. I don't want people joining these groups after a week, after 2 weeks, coming at the tail end and one bad trade and they start complaining when the rest of the group is up 60, 80, 90, 100%. So if you don't get in, if you're not in, okay, don't join in late like these groups. You got 24, 48 hours. If they fill up here by then, I'll extend them. I'll make sure there's slots. After that, it's closed. No new members. You'll have to wait for the next one. Boy, look at that Ethereum. Yep. It's a trap. Son, on the weekends. Weekend trading has been the worst ever. It's been slow and shitty. This year has been the worst weekend price action that I can recall since 2017. Better off staying away. Stay away. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Those are our days. We have the data starting on Monday. We can't know the data on Monday until Monday begins. Then we can have that information. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday is our bread and butter. And then that's not even a guarantee. Maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, there might not be a trade this week. There might not be trades this time. Might not be confident shit. But if there is, that's the time to do it. You can generate enough. You can make enough on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday to cover your ass for the rest of the week. If I can, you can too. Damn, that shit's dumping. All right, what else? Oh yes. Okay, so the credit rating stuff. I want to take a look at a couple post-market things, and I got something else to say too. Okay, commodities. Another person asked me if I had $10,000, what would I do? Every single time someone asked me that, I thought hard and gave him the best answer that I could of what I would do if I only had $10,000. To this day, I have not had one person out of probably 30 or 40 come back to me and say, hey man, I did that and it worked out. Or hey man, I did that and it didn't work. So what the hell are people out? What are people asking me the question for if they don't do it? To the valet driver, you know who you are. If you're watching this video, last year I told you, you asked me before the election, if you had $10,000, what would you do? Because you needed to play. I said, if Trump wins, you're going to go short and buy puts on oil, take the next month or two to make an E-Trade account, learn just enough where you can know how to short, get some call, get some puts, 2 years out, 1 year out on oil. And look what happened. Oil down 25% since November. Even more if you waited till he actually got in office. You would have been sitting pretty after 6 months. So get short it and wait 6 months. Well, it's about that time, and look what happened. You could have been a millionaire. You could have been out. You didn't have, you could have quit your job for a month. Core Weave. Man, Planetar. There's no point in holding these shit stuck. Target. What the hell are you holding Target in your portfolio for? Nike. What the hell do you have Nike in your portfolio for? It ain't doing shit. Planetar. That's where it's at. Now with this stuff going on, with I believe the credit rating stuff is merely political. Sentiment, everyone, even my own father, my father thinks that we're gonna be dumping this next week and that Armageddon's happened, it's over. Well, let me tell you something. You know what's true? This year, our bull markets only last one day. We have 1 day bull runs, and then it's a bear market, and then it's a bull run again, and then it's a bear market. This year, we've had about 30, 20 bull markets and like 50 bear markets. Stress, emotions, anxiety have been flip and floppy, happy and joy, and then annoy, and horrible, up and down, volatile, as ever. Tough time to start out being a new trader. If you ain't using something like Breakout Prop Firm, where you pass the test, you pay a tiny bit of money, and you get 100x your money to trade, and you're able to do it with only 2x, 5x, 4x leverage safely, a safe leverage, whoo, you don't know what you're missing. And you have discipline. When people ask me what I would do different if I had to start over, man, if this shit was around when I was new to trading, oh my God, I'd be using the hell out of it. Pay a little bit, pass a test, get 100x your money, and then ham hock that shit. We don't have any discount codes for Market Cipher right now. No discount coupons. Maybe we'll whip one up. Be safe out there. Listen to yourself. Don't do anything stupid. I think we're still in a bull run. I think the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum and Bitcoin is going up still. We can't let this fear gripe us. Overall, we're still bullish, dude. We are still bullish. And it's going to be volatile. But we're going up. There's nowhere else to put your money. Every time there's bad news, stocks go up. You know why? Because there's nowhere else to put their money. Where else are you going to put your money? If you don't know, if you trying to trade this crypto shit, you don't know anything about options, learn. Nvidia, all this shit, the SPY, only the pre-market. What's going on in the post-market? What's going on the SPY price? I think it just spiked up. Yeah, okay, 590. So weird. Okay, so after market trading, the S&P went down to 588, and then literally just now went, it shot back up. Planetar did the same thing without popping back up. Planetar's at 125 right now. 125 Planetar. Anyways, that's pretty much it. For the Discord, we've been murdering the signals, murdering the copy trades. For if people are coming in, please be on your P's and Q's. Okay, be nice. Don't be passive aggressive weirdo. Don't be rude. Don't be mean. Thank you for posting all the profit logs. Appreciate that. And all the testimonials you guys have been writing. Thank you so much. It's not just profit logs only profit logs. It just says don't write. That means don't write testimonials in the profit logs. You can post your losses here too. For an outlet. It means don't write testimonials in the profit logs and don't post logs on the testimonials unless you're writing a testimonial. Everybody be nice. Don't be quick to be a dick or we're going to call you out and kick you out. Don't be posting your TA if it's against the move I'm making. Make your own fucking Discord. Don't be sharing links and trying to promote other shit in here. Do not be promoting shit in here. This is a 20,000 person Discord. It's a sensitive trading community. Don't be a douche. It's not that hard. And don't be a perv. It's not that hard. Be chill. That's it, folks. We have exciting times. Exciting times. We're going to the dog days of summer. What's it gonna do? What are we gonna do? It's gonna be more empty weekends. Definitely empty weekends. Don't trade on the weekends. And if you suck at trading right now, well, there's places you can go. Good luck. God bless. And go get them.